This is SvanNET 101, and today we're going to be looking at how to add heat maps to your projects. Heat maps in SvanNET can be a great way to visualize your data and present it to a client. As you can see, I'm on the project view page on SvanNET as we speak. If we head over to the cogs on the side of the screen and go down to the Configure Panels tab. From here, you want to add a new panel. Once we click this, go down to Select Panel Type and go to Heat Maps. Add this panel to your project. From here, it's going to give you the options of what you can include and what measurement points to add to the heat map. As you can see here, we're going to go on to measurement point 1 and we're going to toggle on our summary results. This is going to show you the LEQs then, as you can see, but this can be activated with any other parameter that you have on your instrument. Once you've clicked this, you can then go down to the thresholds. Now this is completely customizable, so you can change these to suit whatever it may be for orange and red. And once this is done, you can add the heat map. As you can see, we now have a heat map added to the project view. If you want to go one step further, we can even display the results. Let's go over to the tab again, display settings and display the values. This is going to show you all of the dB levels running through the charts as well as the color coordinated heat map.